you have a business or you plan to start one soon, or maybe you want to make money from business owners, you want to apply for a job, how to write your CV, how to prepare for interviews, there's an app you must have on your phone today. This app saved me thousands of money recently. The app contains everything you need to start and run a profitable business. Every single thing you need is contained in this app. One amazing thing about the app is that it is absolutely free, and of course, you can use it offline. So recently, I was billed real good money to have a proposal written for me. Out of curiosity, I opened this app. Guys, this app gave me everything I needed to write a proposal. It even explained it in a way that a 6-year-old child would understand. Now look at the content of this app. You see for yourself every single thing you need, whether you want to start and run a business, you want to start selling online, you want to start a career, you want to learn to write a CV. Every single thing you need is contained in this mini course, and it is absolutely free. It delivers the messages in bite size using real life relatable stories. I think it's actually that part that got me. Real life relatable examples to teach business lessons. This is beyond what you pay for in business school. You know the best part? You can access these lessons offline. Yes, offline with your mobile phone. Just download the app and then install it. Lessons are taught by credible trainers and even professors. The name of this app is Google Primer. You download it and access it anywhere, anytime. To me, it's been a life and business saver, and it's going to answer almost all the questions you have regarding whatever thing you are doing with it. You take the mini courses. At the end of every course, you take assessments. Here are different courses that are contained in this app. So here are the courses. This one says get ready for a successful job interview. To take this course, you just click on this button that says start, and you're going to take all the modules in the mini course. Prepare for your professional future with career development. Now click on this button to view all mini courses. Create your business idea. How quality can set your business apart from the competition. Run a business from home. Help your business grow. Sell your product and services to customers in other countries. There are so many courses here you can take, and they are absolutely free. Most of the courses here are taught by professors. Okay, so let's take just one. So let's go on now and take just one of this course so I can show you exactly how to do that. Now, if you look at this, there are 7 lessons in this course that you can take. Here are the 7 of them. So to start taking any of them, click on that one. So it opens. To take this course, all you need is click on the button that says start. But because you're already taking part of it, it's showing continue. So I'm going to click on continue. And then it opens for us to take the course. So scroll down and click on the one you want to take. So I'm going to take this one that says how to get found on Google search and map. So I'm going to click on it. It opens for you to take the course. So to start the course, all you need is just slide through, and then you are going to see all the content, the modules of the course. Like I said, it uses real life relatable examples and stories to pass the business lessons. So this one says, imagine you are running errands in town and have a sudden ice cream craving. You pull out your mobile phone and search for nearby ice cream parlor. Okay, so just slide and you're going to go through the courses. At the end of each one, you are going to take a quick test, and then you move on to the next one. So these are the tests. What percentage of people use a search engine when you are looking for information about local businesses? You just need to take this test and then you move on to the next one. And that's how easy and simple it is to take these courses. It's amazing and you're going to love it. Now, go now and download it and start learning immediately. I hope you got value from this. Give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.